You want to earn more money. You want to get out of debt, eliminate work-related stress, buy a new car or house, and hopefully retire while you still have time to enjoy it. Those aren't unreasonable goals, but you need to know how to get there. Only 1% of Americans are considered financially independent. The rest are people who work hard, don't have enough time to do the things they want to, and live from paycheck to paycheck, struggling with debt. Most people are concerned about job security and their financial future. More than 2.3 million U.S. jobs have been lost over the past 3 years, and most of the new jobs will pay an average wage between $14,700 and $37,000 a year. Does that sound like financial security to you? What's going on? You've seen countless home-based business ads that say, "Get rich without working. Earn $10,000 this month. We'll do all the work for you." This is so simple, anyone can do it. And you've heard testimonial after testimonial that says how much money some people are making, but nobody tells you how they did it. Well, we're different. We're going to tell you the whole story. By the end of this presentation, you'll understand why you're frustrated and how you can change it. You'll know very shortly if you're interested or not. If you are interested, we'll give you an option to get more information. If you're not, simply close this presentation and we're done. We'll give you valuable insights from leading financial experts including Robert Kiyosaki, Paul Zane Pilzer, and Professor Charles King. We'll show you why 95% of people never achieve the financial independence and lifestyle they desire. And we'll show you a business concept with a proven track record that's endorsed and recommended by third-party financial experts who all say, this is the way. Robert Kiyosaki, the best-selling author of 4 financial enrichment books, says the real reason most people struggle financially is that they learn to work hard for money, but they never learn the 3 things that are essential to earning the income and having the freedom they desire. 1. How to use leverage. 2. How to create passive or residual income. And 3. How to make money and make money work for you. Most people exchange their time and talent for an income. It doesn't matter if you're a $5 an hour clerk, a doctor, or a corporate executive earning $250,000 a year. If your time and effort are required to get paid, your income is limited by the number of hours you can work. If you work more to earn more, you end up with less free time. Or you can work fewer hours and have more free time but earn less. Stop working and the income stops too. Everyone who works for someone else, clerks, doctors, secretaries, teachers, professionals, and executives, all have one thing in common. They're all slaves to the clock. They watch the clock to see if they're leaving the house on time, or how much longer they have in traffic before they're late for work, or how much longer until they can leave work and fight the traffic going home. They stress over how much quality time they will have with their families before they have to go to bed, so they can wake up tomorrow and do it all over again. They do this 5 or 6 days a week, 50 weeks a year for 40 years, and then 95% of them still can't retire in comfort. Would you like to know how to stop being a slave to the clock? All successful people have one thing in common: leverage. Leverage is the power to earn more and more while working less and less, either by having people or money working for you. Leverage is what enables businesses to grow and individuals to create wealth. Leverage also enables people to earn passive income, whether they're working or not. Business owners earn leveraged passive income from the productivity of all their employees, whether they are personally working or not. They are not slaves to the clock. If a lawyer can see clients 15 hours a day, 7 days a week, the most that he can get paid for is 105 hours per week, or 5,460 hours a year, with no vacation. In this case, that lawyer has no leverage. As another example, there's a real estate broker who has trained 10 real estate agents and gets paid half the commission earned by all of the agents. If each agent worked 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, with 2 weeks off for vacation, the broker would get paid on 400 hours a week, or 20,000 hours a year. The agents have no leverage and only get paid when they sell something, but the broker has leverage. If you own a company with 100 employees and each employee works 5 hours a day, you could get paid on 500 hours of work each day, 2,500 hours a week, 125,000 hours a year, whether you work or not. You would earn a leveraged passive income from your 100 employees. If you want to earn more money and have more free time, you need to own a business that generates a leveraged passive income. The real question is, how can you build a business that creates a leveraged passive income without requiring a lot of time, money, or special expertise? Professor of Marketing Charles W. King of the University of Illinois at Chicago was faced with this question in the early 90s when the U.S. was in a major recession. King examined many options, including franchising and direct selling. He discovered that many Fortune 500 companies had started using the network marketing business model because it was a robust and efficient model for introducing products to the marketplace, bypassing multiple layers of middlemen that added to the cost of delivering goods and services. One of the first questions people ask about network marketing is, isn't that a pyramid where the people at the top make all the money? Professor King explains that the corporation is the best example of a pyramid because the people at the top make all the money. The CEO always earns more than the president and other top executives, who always earn more than the middle management below them, who always earn more than the employees below them. King goes on to say that network marketing is a business model that empowers everyone with the same kind of leverage as a corporate CEO. Imagine you're at work one day and your boss comes to you and says, "We have a new plan that we think will be good for employees and the company. We all have access to the internet and automated online support systems, so you can now work from home. We want to teach all of our employees everything we know about our business, so everyone can help build the business. We're going to share the revenues with the employees who refer us to good, productive employees, and the more your portion of the company produces, the more money you will earn. And as a bonus for helping our company become more profitable, we'll schedule you for early retirement within 2 to 3 years and continue to pay you a percentage of the production of your network of employees for life. How would you like to work for that company?" That's exactly how the network marketing business works, except that each person is an independent associate rather than an employee. The company pays each associate a percentage on their own sales and sales within their marketing team. Because associates can be paid on team sales, the people who build the largest and most productive teams earn the most. If you want to become rich, you need to learn how to build a business network. Network marketing provides you the potential to build a multi-million-dollar business that could pay you hundreds of thousands of dollars a year in passive income year after year. Robert Kiyosaki has another reason for owning your own home-based business. In the U.S., there are 2 income tax systems, one for business owners and one for everyone else. Owning your own business qualifies you for valuable tax savings by turning spending into tax-deducted expenses. You'll be able to write off most or all of such work-related expenses as rent, automotive costs, travel and entertainment, even vacations. In order to build financial independence, you need to own your own business, leverage yourself through people, and pay less of your income in taxes. Paul Zane Pilzer was an economics advisor to 2 presidents, a professor, and the author of 3 best-selling books. Pilzer writes, "The fortunes that will be made in the new millennium will be more in intellectual distribution, educating consumers about products and services that will improve their lives. Network marketing is clearly the best vehicle we have today to educate people about new products and services." Finally, Robert Kiyosaki, in his book The Business School for People Who Like Helping People, writes that the industrial age is over and that the rules of the world have changed forever. The network marketing industry offers a ready-made business system to anyone wanting to take control of their financial future. Let's do a quick summary. If your income depends entirely on your time and effort, your current situation is not likely to change. To earn what you want and have free time, you need to create a leveraged passive income. The best way to create a leveraged passive income is through your own business. Network marketing is a proven way to build a successful business that can generate a leveraged passive income. There are enormous tax advantages to owning your own business. Network marketing appears to be the best option today for starting a business part-time from your home without a lot of money, time, or experience. Network marketing is clearly the most powerful and professional way to create the income and the lifestyle that you want. If you continue to do what you've always done, you'll continue to get what you've always gotten. Aren't you tired of being a slave to the clock? Aren't you tired of having no time or no money? If you don't take the next step and ask for more information, what's going to change? Are you willing to live the way you are right now for another 5, 10, or even 20 years? If that's not acceptable, we'd love to help you and give you a little more information.